Hello friends, today I will share you 10 awesome benefits of indoor plants. Adding house plants to your home is a great way to add a pop-off of colors and visual interest to your decor. However, indoor plants have many other benefits that make them valuable addition to any home. Not only are houseplants excellent way to inspire creativity and foster a connection with nature, but they also promote healing and stress reduction. Also improve indoor quality and can reduce chronic health issues such as depression and anxiety. Friends, we discuss the magical plants which is very benefit for human health and also science spotted benefits of house plant. Although there are countless reasons to keep indoor plants. Number one is house plants reduce harmful indoor air pollution. Carpets, particle boards, furniture, paints, and many cleaning suppliers have a chemical gases, also known as a volatile organic compounds, that are chemicals that are released as gases from common household products such as benzene formaldehyde. These harmful gases can have negative health effects, including an increased risk of some cancer, allergies, and other respiratory ailments, headache, damage to the central nervous system, and more. While opening windows and adding air purifier to your home can improve air quality and reduce chemicals. The study by NASA houseplants can greatly reduce chemicals in indoor air, and it is estimated that it is only takes between 15 and 18 plants to can reduce the harmful gases in an 1800 square foot home. So my dear friends, I am sharing with you some magical plants which can help the purify your indoor air. Number one is dwarf date palm. Number two, lady palm. Number three, ficus tree. Number four, rubber tree. Number five is Boston fern, and the last one is spider plants. Number two is house plants can help reduce sign of stress. Most people know that interacting with the natural world is a great stress buster. From taking walks in the park to practicing forest bathing on hiking to gardening. Walking, working with the natural world can help us to refocus, be more mindful of the present, and better cope with stress. But it is not just getting outdoor that can help reduce stress. Gardening indoor with houseplants can help too. The third one is add plants to your bedroom for improved sleep. Lush greenery and vibrant flowers can add charm and coziness to bedrooms. But plants' oxygen boosting ability can also help promote restful slumber. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and turning it into oxygen that is then released into the environment during the process of photosynthesis. According to the recent study, a high level of oxygen at night can promote deeper and more restorative sleep. So it is no wonder that many scientists and doctors recommended adding house plants to your bedroom. While all plants release oxygen during photosynthesis, some of the best oxygenating plants to add to your bedroom include. Number one is snake plant, gerbera, Chinese evergreen, money plant, and the last one is Erica palm. Fourth one is house plants increase indoor humidity. During photosynthesis, plants release oxygen, but they also release water vapor into the air, increasing relatively humidity level. By increasing indoor humidity level with house plants, you can help improve respiratory health. Some of the best plants for increasing indoor humidity are the common spider plant. A recent study found that adding a few spider plants to a home increasing indoor humidity level from 20 to 30% in a short period of time. Fifth one is working with plants can combat depression and anxiety. Trending houseplants has been shown to help ease signs of stress, but it also can boost your mood in generally reducing signs and symptoms of chronic ailments like PTSD, depression, and anxiety. Taking care of houseplants can help give you a sense of purpose and be positively distracting, but the benefit of indoor plants on mental health extend even further. My dear friends, stay with me because I will share with you some very important tips for keeping your houseplants healthy. Now let's come to the topic. Number 6 is indoor plants reduce allergens. The house plants can decrease dust and mold in indoor air, helping to improve respiratory health by reducing some of the most common allergens. According to recent study, plants can reduce dust in indoor air by up to 20%, while their ability to regulate humidity level can help reduce problematic moisture level in bathrooms and other humid area. While there are many great houseplants to choose from when it comes to improving air quality, some of the best plants for the job include Chinese evergreen, English ivy, and peace lily. Next point is, which is very interesting for me, that is plants reduce sound pollution. Yes, plants reduce sound pollution. Sound pollution from busy highways, noisy neighbors, and other electrical noise, and in a particular in the cities and apartment complexes. Luckily, houseplants can help reduce unwanted sound by deflecting, absorbing, or refracting noise pollution. Some of the best plants for the job include broad-leaved varieties such as rubber plants and weeping figs. Placing a few larger plants against an exterior windows or wall can work to buffer unwanted sirens, car noise, barking dogs, and more, helping to maintain a calm and relaxing environment in your home. Great is houseplants can improve physical health and healing. While it is common practice to bring a plant gift or bouquet of flowers to friend and loved ones when they are recovered from illness or surgery. Studies have found that plants and greenery can actually speed healing times. Next point is, which is also interesting, is plants improve concentration, productivity, and creativity in the workplace. Studies have found that adding greenery to classrooms and offices space can help increase the productivity level and creativity in workers and students. One recent study of employees found that the workers reported great job satisfaction level and took off fewer sick days when indoor plants were added to their working place. Even better study on students found that the student test score and addition span improved in the presence of indoor plants. Last point is grow your own herbs on a budget. Fresh herbs can get expensive fast, but adding your own herbs garden in an easy way to cut grocery cost while exercising your green thumb. While herb can be grown in standard terracotta pots in brightly lit window. Beyond growing your own herbs, there are other great edible and medicinal plants that are easy to grow as house plants. Many dwarf varieties of citric trees such as quartz and Meyer lemon tree do well as indoor plants and will remain healthy and thriving with a regular dose of organic fertilizer. Including an aloe vera in your house plant collection will add not only visual interest, but it can be a great addition to your medicine cabinet and will help calm irritated skin and burns. While different plants have different needs, understanding the basic requirements of most houseplants can ensure your indoor jungle is lush and thriving. Number one is be sure to do a bit research on individual plants about the fertilizer, about watering requirements, watering timing, and research how frequently individual plant need to do watered and fertilized, and also explore their specific lighting requirements. Number two, search how frequently include sure your house plant get enough light. Some plants like snake plants and pothos do well in low light. However, the majority of house plants are tropical types that require at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. 3 is maintain a regular watering and fertilizing schedule. Most tropical house plants do well with the weekly watering, however, to avoid overwatering your plants. Insert your finger about an inch into your soil to check for dryness and only water your plants when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil is dry to the touch. Next is shine up your leaves for healthier plants. Plants need clean, dust free leaves for optimal photosynthesis. That's why it can be so helpful to occasionally polish plants' leaves with a bit of warm water and soft cloth. Your plant will look neat and clean and shiny. Last point is keep your pets safe. While many houseplants are pet safe, a few common indoor plants such as sago palm and peace lily are highly toxic to cats and dogs. Before adding a new plant to your collection, friends, houseplants are charming addition to homes and offices. Houseplants offer us many benefits from better air quality and healthier homes to improved mental health and productivity. All they ask in return is a bit of sunlight and drink of water from time to time. So pick up a few plants for your home or office. In no time you will feel and see the benefit, and the plants may reward you themselves with a beautiful bloom or glossy new leaf too. So friends, I hope you like and enjoy my video. Stay with me, share and like my video and subscribe my channel. Take care.